Just got it away. Hurts. Good protection. Time runs out. Touchdown, Zacchaeus.
Eagles fans, how does it feel to be one of 3 undefeated NFL teams after week 3? Y'all still suck. Y'all supposed to blow Tampa Bay the fuck out. But your boy Hurts up there throwing 2 horrible interceptions. Chump, I ain't even trying to go there with you. What I want to talk about is how dominant the defense was. We stuffed their run, caused 2 turnovers, 2 sacks, and a safety. We made everybody remember Baker Mayfield is still Baker Mayfield. Man, I really think you need to be concerned about your own quarterback. He was missing wide open wide receivers all night long. He made the biggest completions when they counted the most. Like Hurt said earlier this week, when did the main thing not become the main thing? Bruh, what kind of garbage is that? He just trying to make excuses for his poor play. Wait till y'all start playing the better teams. Like the Cowboys? Basically what he's saying is, winning is the most important thing, not style points. As long as you win the games, nothing else matters. Bullshit. That fool making $50 million a year. He's supposed to be out there throwing dots all the time. He ain't no damn robot, dickhead. No quarterback can police all their passes. And speaking of that, I hope everybody shut the fuck up about this supposed blow-up between A.J. Brown and Jalen Hurts. It wasn't no big deal. They came out the other night and they was dot after dot after dot. They hooked up all night long. All right. I'm gonna leave that alone. But the bigger mystery is, why did they take DeAndre Swift out of the game? He played none of the fourth quarter. He rushed for 130 yards. Why they take him out? I'll tell you why. Because that damn Howie ain't want that young boy to run for 200 yards. Man, that damn Scrooge, he be cooking the books at every opportunity. You and your goddamn conspiracy theories make no damn sense. They were already up 14 points. There was no need for Swift to still be in the game. You know he got an injury history. Do you really think Coach Sirianni would actually allow Howie to influence who plays and how much they get the ball? Stop it. Hey, you never know. All I know for sure is Howie is not giving Swift no big bag this offseason. Book it. Oh my God. We just finished week 3 and you already talking about the offseason? I just can't.